welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about something that you borrowed from your friend. You should say, what was it? When did you borrow? Whom you borrowed it from? Why you borrowed it?
I remember borrowing a book from my friend a few months ago. The book was a novel that I had been wanting to read for a long time, but I couldn't find it in any nearby bookstores. I borrowed the book from my friend, who is an avid reader and had recommended it to me earlier. I remember borrowing it on a Friday evening when we met for coffee at a nearby café. I borrowed the book because I was interested in the story and wanted to read it for myself. My friend had praised the book's plot and characters, and I was intrigued to see if it lived up to its reputation. I promised my friend that I would take good care of the book and return it as soon as I finished reading it. I was excited to start reading the novel, and I thanked my friend for lending it to me. Over the next few days, I read the book with great enthusiasm and was captivated by the story's twists and turns. I found myself unable to put the book down, and I was grateful to my friend for recommending it to me. When I finished reading the book, I returned it to my friend as promised. I thanked her for lending it to me and expressed my appreciation for her recommendation. We discussed the book and shared our thoughts on its themes and characters, which was a delightful conversation. Overall, borrowing the book from my friend was a great experience, and I enjoyed the opportunity to read a novel that I might not have discovered otherwise. It was a reminder of the joy of reading and the importance of sharing our interests and passions with others. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.